What is going on, everybody? Today we're going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on my GL. This applies for the R class, the GL, the ML, and the E550, if I remember correctly. So this is exactly what you need. That part number right there. Should be two of them in the box. They run about 20-30 bucks. This is the proper way to install it. Whoops. However, there's a cheater method that I will show you guys today, which is much quicker, saves you a ton of time, and it's more efficient. So I don't know why they don't do it that way, but it does work. So let me show you. So one thing that I do is in between these little pleats right here, right in between these, I get these little scent sticks that look kind of like this, and I kind of shove them right in between there, but I cut them in half. That's just to make the cabin smell good, and these actual ones smell good for roughly about nearly 6 months. So let me show you how to do that in a second. As you can see, there is 2 filters here, so I cut them in half, look like that, and I just shove them, one there, and we'll do another one about right there. Get to the other one. Boop. Bop. And keep in mind the airflow. You always want to have the airflow in the opposite direction which you're putting these in, so they don't fly out. And now we'll take you over to the car. So if you look here, this is where exactly, this is a passenger front. This is exactly where the intake comes in through this vent on the outside. That's not an engine vent. I wish it was, because race car. However, remove these clips, which are fairly easy to do, but you need a clip remover or a flathead, and we'll get back to you as soon as I do that. So just to demonstrate how to do it, I'm using a flathead. Pop it right in here and just pull it out a little bit and then push up, and that will actually dismantle it. And then you just take this and just pull it out of the way. My bad, hit you guys. And if you look right in here, there's your cabin air filters. Let me get a light. Those right there are your cabin filters right there. So I'm gonna show you how to get them out in just a second. So if you look in here, you take your cabin filter and you pull it back, and you put this on top of this, on the other filter, and just pull straight out. And they come straight out. Slide this one over, just pick it up, and pull it out. And if you look here, these aren't the prettiest ones, but keep in mind also the airflow. And now you put your new ones in. So anyways, you take your filter, put it in there like before. And then you just put it in. Here's one. And here's the second one. The second one is going to be a little bit hard to put in using the cheater method. However, it is a cheating method, so you can't win everywhere. And as you guys can see, both new filters are nicely in their new home. Now you put reverse order and put your cover back on. Pop these 2 clips back in place, and you have completed the job. If you guys like this kind of video, like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe's like over there somewhere. There's a bell that Chris likes to ring a ding, like his 300Z. And we'll be back with another video just like one of these. So see you next time.